In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Squarespace site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your styles so you can fine-tune your design without disrupting the rest of your site. Let's start inside your Squarespace editor with your site open. First, head to the main navigation on the left and click Website. This takes you into the workspace where you manage your site's structure and design. Think of it as your home base for everything you'll customize next. Next, click Pages. Even though we're not changing a specific page right now, this view is a common jumping off point to access deeper settings. It helps orient you inside the editor so you can find the tools you need without hunting through menus. From here, look for Custom Code and click it. This is where Squarespace groups options related to code you might add across your site. It's especially handy when you want to go beyond the built-in design controls and apply precise tweaks that match your brand. Keep in mind that custom code can override default styles, so it's a good idea to add changes gradually and review the results as you go. Now click Custom CSS. This is the dedicated area for your styling rules. Anything you place here will apply site-wide unless you target specific pages or elements using more precise selectors. Because this field is for CSS only, avoid pasting JavaScript or third-party embeds here. Those belong in other code injection fields. If you ever need to undo a change, simply delete or comment out the line and your site will revert. Finally, paste your code into the editor. As soon as you do, you'll see the preview update in real time. That instant feedback helps you confirm your selectors are targeting the right elements. If nothing changes, try being more specific with your CSS or inspect the element in your browser to check the class or ID. Use clear comments to label what each section does, and keep a copy of your snippets in a separate document so you can roll back easily. Before you finish, scan your site on mobile and tablet breakpoints to ensure your new styles look great across devices. When you're happy, save your changes so they go live. That's it. You clicked Website, opened Pages, went into Custom Code, selected Custom CSS, and pasted your code. With this workflow, you can make polished, consistent design adjustments while keeping full control over how your site looks and feels. Thanks for watching, and happy styling!